Hello, today we will be discussing various startups and work opportunities for civil engineers. Many of my students and junior engineers they ask me if I can give a small list of various opportunities or various work fronts a civil engineer can take up. So this is a small lecture for that. Do subscribe to my channel MSG Engineering. Do visit my website www.msgengineering.com and join my courses for industrial structure design, design of equipment foundations. So going back to our topic, various startups and work opportunities for a civil engineer. So I made a small list. First, civil engineer can go into structural design, or he can become a construction manager if he has liking for construction. He can go into project controls and scheduling. So basically during our course of engineering we had bar charts and schedules, so that branch is also open for civil engineers for work. Construction material procurement, so he can procure the construction material if he has a liking or capabilities of procurement. Then construction material supplier or stockist. Land surveyor, if a civil engineer has a liking for surveying, or a quantity surveyor, that is estimation department. Construction material tester, so concrete material testing laboratories like concrete test, cube testing or cylinder testing, reinforcement testing. So all these construction material testing laboratories he can set up and work like that. A quality auditor or inspector. Nowadays all big companies they have quality department, quality procedure, and audits, regular audits are done to check the outputs from the company, so you can go into that. Draftsman, designer, modeler, checker, you can be any of these. 2D draftsman, 2D drawings will be done by draftsman or designer, and 3D models in various softwares by a modeler, and checking of drawings and model can also be taken up. Marketing and sales of the projects if you have liking for that. Basically my basic bottom line is, a civil engineer, there are so many subjects in the course of 8 semesters of civil engineering. Any engineer, he should follow his heart. Whatever he likes, he should take it up as a career. If he has a liking for structures or geotech or hydraulics or environmental, whatever he likes, he should pick up that branch as his career, because it is not easy to work in some branch of civil engineering which you dislike. You can't work over there for 40 years. Okay, so always follow your heart. And most of these you will say they are startups or they are entrepreneurship. Yes, because nowadays so many civil engineering colleges are there all over India, and so many civil engineers pass out every year. Lakhs of civil engineers pass out every year. It is next to impossible for each and every one of them to get a job. That many job opportunities are not going to be there. So if you are lucky, you can get a job, else you will have to do some entrepreneurship or you will have to do some startup. Okay, so next you can be into financing the project. Then civil engineers can be a ready mix concrete plant owner. He can be a manufacturer of precast members, precast covers or precast pipes. One can have a soil investigation and field and laboratory testing consultancy. One can go in teaching, tutoring or mentoring. Next, bar bending schedule agency. For all the reinforcement bent into hooks or bends, bar bending schedules are required to be made. You can have your own agency doing such work. Connection design agency. For structural steel, there are moment connections, shear connections or splice connections, bracing connections. So many connections are there. So if you are good at such design, you can have such agency. Then brick or concrete masonry manufacturer. Then aggregate quarry owner. You can own a quarry for sand and coarse aggregate. Then construction water supplier, drafting agency, 2D 3D CAD agency or drafting 2D 3D software tutoring agency you can have. Then labor and supervision contractor. Next, 25th is repairs and waterproofing contractor. Then work, 26th work in pre-engineered building vendor. So pre-engineered buildings are little different than your usual buildings. If you want to know more about it, join our consultancy and academy. Next, fabrication drawing agency. You can make the fabrication drawings for the fabrication contractor. Next, you can have a NDT agency, non-destructive testing of structures. So you will have to buy some gadgets and do some infrastructure setup, and you can have your own NDT agency. Then you can be software franchise. You can install, maintain and train for the softwares, civil engineering softwares. Then 30th in the list, design Excel sheet developer. So for design calculations or for BOQ or for estimation, Excel sheets are required. For design in various codes, various code knowledge is required. So if you have liking for that, you can be a spreadsheet developer. Then geotextile agency, stockist and supplier. So geotextiles are used nowadays for embankment retaining and many applications it has. You can be stockist and supplier for that. Then plumbing supplier contractor. Then BMC, that is municipal corporation or state or national or international. PE stamping license holder, that also you can go for it. Then demolition contractor, roads work contractor, either flexible or rigid pavement, roads contractor. Then environmental engineering consultant, for effluent treatment plant or water or sewage treatment plant, environmental specialist is required. Then software app developer, you can develop a software or app. Then franchise for a foreign consultant. So there is a foreign office and they want a shuttle office in India. You can tie up with some foreign agency. Then you can be a research engineer. Then you can take up a government job. You will have to give UPSC, MPSC like exams or even service commission exams, and you can go into government jobs. Then public health engineers for water supply and sewage and drainage. Then transportation engineer you can be, so for roads, rails, harbors and airports planning, transportation engineer is required. Then you can be a urban or town planning engineer. So nowadays smart city concept is coming up, so you can go into that. You can be an offshore engineer. Offshore oil rigs are there for extracting oil or exploring oil, so you can do a job on that. Then software app developer, I already covered that. And then you can be concrete mix designer, to mix proportioning of the concrete of required grade. Suppose M80 grade concrete, what should be the mix proportion? So such concrete mix designers, they are called chef, concrete chef, because they mix different ingredients to make a perfect concrete. So all these around 46 work opportunities or startups I have listed for you all. I have liking suppose for teaching or for design, so I will go for that. Although all these startups are available, one may not like to do everything. So basically you do whatever you like. Do subscribe to my channel. If you think of any other work or job opportunities for civil, do write in the comment box, so many other viewers will like to know about it and somebody will benefit with it. Many people, they have helped me throughout my life, so I am also trying to give back to the society. I am trying to help some engineers. Perhaps someone will get benefited by this. Okay, so please share this video and thank you.